Good day, everybody. This is First Graphics Academy. It's been a while, so we will be creating this fictional magazine cover. So, before anything else, let's dive into it. Okay, what you need to do is locate your picture you want to use for this design. Mine is here. So, you right click on your picture, open with Adobe Photoshop. So this is my picture. So we don't really need this background. We need to take out this background and we just need the model. Now this is actually my wife anyway, but she's still my model. So we need to take out this background. You go to the right hand side where you see this background and there's this little lock here. We don't need this lock, so what you need to do is to unlock it or remove it by just click once and you go to select, then subject, click on subject. All right, afterwards you observe this shiny glitches around the body of our model. So it means that we are ready to remove our background. You go to where you see this box with a black dot in the middle, add layer mask. You click on it and our background is gone. All right, so it means that we're ready to add our own background to this design. So what we need to do is go back to where this round black and white color is. You click on it and go to solid color. So once you go to solid color, this is the default color and we don't want to use this white color. So what we need to use is our color for this. I've used this before and I've copied it. So if you can't see mine, if you're using something exactly like mine, then you can copy this C30040. That is the color we're using as the background. But you can see our model is missing. The reason is because the solid color is above her picture. So we need this to go beneath her, down. Now our model has appeared back to us. All right, so what we need to do next is to adjust this picture, bring it down a little bit to the right. So the next thing is our text. Go to the T here, click on the T, click on the design, then we're going to use shine, because that's actually the name of our magazine cover. Shine. You'll increase it a little bit. It has to be bold. I'm not using these fonts, so go to A. I'll find a very nice font for this. For me, I'm going to be using this font called Cherry. You can see the adjustments. You can play around with the adjustments here. So for me, I'm going to use this Shine. If you want to follow up, you can just go online and download the Cherry fonts. They are good and nice fonts there. You can actually even get something nicer than this. All right, so as you can see, the shine is on top of our forehead, on top of our face, and we don't want that. We want the text to be behind the picture. All right, so the reason is because the shine is on top of it, on top of everything here, so we need to bring it down below. Aha, so all right, so the next thing is to apply a very good color to our text. So what we will do is go to the FX here, click on it and look for gradient overlay. Click on it. Aha, so I've used these gradients already, so I've already created a preset for it. But if you don't have it, you have to create one for yourself. You can just click on any of the basic here, then create the knots. Once you click, the knot will appear just like this. Aha. So I don't need this. So you can create the presets and keep applying the colors. Once you click on any of the nodes you created, then click on the color, find the color here, and click on OK. All right, then click on OK as well. All right, so what I need to do next is I love to add a little drop shadow on our fonts, on our text. So click on this drop shadow. So make sure your setting is just the same like this. Opacity 64, the angle is 30. Just follow the format here. So click on OK. All right, the next thing we would like to do is create a border line around the design. So what we need to do is click on our rectangle tool here and drag it above everything. We click on it. So now we're having this white color. We don't need the whole white color. So click on the white here and the stroke here, click on it. The next box, click on it, and then add white. So the reason why you're not seeing any border is because the value is still 0. So we need to add the value. All right, as you can see, it's visible now. I think this is good. All right, our magazine cover is gradually coming to life. All right, the next thing I would like to do is continue with the write-ups. Face off, so bring it up here. So I would like to change the formats for this. I would like to use something nice. Play with the adjustments here. All right, so that is that. So the next thing is magazine. Just type the magazine. Click on the check button, adjust, just play around with the adjustments. Make sure everything is centered well. All right, good. So we're going to stop here, and I'm going to show you on the next video how to create this cool effects, this cool fonts effects. As you can see, it's almost following the shape of our body. So you have to subscribe, like, share. Let me know how you enjoy graphic design and how you love to learn with First Graphics Academy. All right, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and we'll be back in the next video.